Okay, I'm not doing this anymore. Look, so I've got my Kreg 720 Pro, which I happen to like. I know it gets a lot of flack on here, but I like the 720 Pro. However, these things right here I don't like those. I don't like these wings. And this little thing, this little clip right here that goes in to hold it, to lock and hold it in place. There, that's just asking to be broken like this here. Now that won't stay up. This is getting on my nerves. We're gonna build a platform for this guy and not have to worry about this anymore. Okay, so if you know me reasonably well at all, you know I love Kreg products. I use pocket holes all the time. I don't care what you say, it's an easy way to make a great, clean, strong joint. And I love the Kreg system. I love the Kreg company. I've been using their products for a very long time. I am a big fan of Kreg. And I am a big fan of the Kreg 720 Pro pocket hole system. And I know it gets a lot of flack and some of the stuff is well justified, but I like my 720 Pro. There are a few things I don't like, and as I mentioned earlier, these wings are the bane of my existence. Everything else I love, but this is terrible. We're gonna fix this today, and we're gonna create a base to put our 720 Pro on. It won't fold up anymore, but that's okay. We're gonna mount it to a plywood base with a couple of handles on it so we can carry it around, and then we won't have to worry about this foolishness anymore. So let's get started. So we'll start off by cutting a 24 by 13 inch piece of 1/2 inch plywood, mark off the base of the 720 Pro, and now lay out the handholds. Now these are going to be 4 inches by 1.5 inches, and I know this video shows a 35 millimeter Forstner bit, but I'm actually going to use a 38 inch to make it 1.5 inches. Now I'll connect these holes, and then I'll use the jigsaw to cut these handles out, and this should be right about the perfect width for my hands. Then we'll sand them really well. Use the router to soften the edges on the inside. It'll give us a nice feel and grip. Sand everything down with 150 grit all over and all on the edges. Now we'll put the 720 Pro back down where we had it. Make sure everything is lined up and square. We're gonna use some 3/4 inch screws, and there will be some pre-drilled holes where the wings connect to the body. Then 2 more screws in each of the storage areas. Then we'll brand it, and she is ready for business. Bam! Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Now that's how it's meant to be. And look at that. Solid. Ain't going nowhere. Still got room to put the clamp in here. These open up, they're not wiggling off anymore. So you see I put screws here down at the base of the 720 Pro, and then and the ends of the wings here too. That's good. Handles perfectly placed. I think I'm gonna put some plans to this. I like it, yeah. Well, that project only took about 45 minutes. I am a lot hotter than I was when we started. It's the middle of the summer. It's Georgia. It's hot. It's humid. We're gonna sweat. Hey, if you like this video, definitely like this video. Give us a big thumbs up. It helps us a lot. And if you enjoy this, we're doing stuff like this all the time. We would love to have you as a part of our family. So subscribe to our channel so you can be up and in the know on everything we do when we do it. Hey, and like I said, I'm gonna post the plans for this, or a measured drawing, and it's a real simple project, but if you want that drawing, I'm gonna put a link to it so you can go grab that and make one for yourself if you want to. Hey, that's all I've got for today. I'm about to get back to work. You guys take care. Thanks again for being here. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you the next time.